Hello everyone, this is Mr. Prem. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Eclipse in Windows OS. It's quite easy steps, okay? So just focus on the steps, okay? I will start my browser. I will click on what google.com. I will say what Eclipse download, okay? You know that, okay, the official website of what Eclipse is what eclipse.org. So I will click on the first link, which is what official website, okay? Here you will get what option of what depends upon your system. It will auto detect whether it is what 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, so it is asking to download 64-bit. So my suggestion is not to download this. Okay, it will give the exe file. Okay, it will be in the KBs. Okay, and if you double click, it will download everything from what internet or cloud. And sometime it fails to download everything, and it does not work as per expected. So my suggestion is not to download this. So what you need to do, need to click on what download packages. So it will have everything inside. Okay, you will get zip file, you have to unzip it and it will be ready to use. Okay, so quite easy to do. Okay, and it will be having everything inside. It will not download anything from what cloud. It will not connect to the internet as well. After downloading, I will click on what download packages. Now it is same thing. Okay, installer which was on the first page. So I will not try these things. Okay, now if you are normal Java developer, you're not developing any kind of enterprise application, okay, then you can download this. Or if you are developing enterprise application, okay, then you can click on this. So these two options are there. Okay, Maven project, you cannot create Maven project in Eclipse IDE for Java developer, fine, but you can create the Maven project into this. Now it is going only giving for what 64-bit, but if you're interested for 32-bit, so it is available, I think so, till here. Okay, till Eclipse version 2018 and 4.9 Eclipse version. If you click on this, so it will give the option of what 32-bit also and 64-bit also. If you click on what 64-bit, so it will give the link of downloading the zip file of what Eclipse 64-bit. It will give the link of what downloading zip file of Eclipse, okay, 64-bit. So if you click, it will start downloading. I will not click on OK button since I already downloaded it and it is on the desktop. Okay, but I downloaded the Photon, Eclipse Photon. It is on desktop. You can see it is on the desktop. Okay, I need to unzip it and it is ready to use. And it's what I need to just unzip it and it's ready to use. I will extract all. It will take some time for extracting, and after extracting it is ready to use. So it is about to complete. So it's done. Now I need to go inside this and you will find one logo of Eclipse here. Okay, this, and if I minimize, so there it will be mentioned Eclipse, and it is application. So what I need to do, I need to double click, my Eclipse will start. I shown you for Photon, but it's work for every type of version of Eclipse. Not to worry about it. So my Eclipse is starting now. It might ask for choosing workspace. So it is asking, you want to choose this workspace? Yes. And my Eclipse will start. Fine. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.